Hello students, we are going to start revision and first chapter revision part 1. Today we are going to revise. In first chapter, what is resource? To know what is resource is important. Source means the main thing from which a resource is made. For example, cotton is used to make cotton clothes. In this sentence, cotton is a source and resource anything that can be used to satisfy a need. Example, we use rickshaw to reach home. In this sentence, rickshaw is a resource. So we understood water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbook have something in common and they all have been used by us. So these all are utility. These all have utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Next is types of resources. First one is natural resource, human made resource and human resource. So first of all we are going to understand about natural resources. Natural resources are generally classified resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification, which is called natural resources. For example, the air which we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, the soil in which farmers grow crops, minerals are all natural resources. Many of these resources are free gifts of nature and can be used directly. In some cases, tools and technology may be needed to use a natural resource in the best possible way. So this was all about resources and natural resources. In next video, likewise revision will be done. Take care. Thank you.